Let's solve MCQs from 2026 mathematics paper. First is x plus 3, 1, x minus 3 and say 1 and minus 5 are in proportion. That means a upon b is equal to c upon d. If we put the values, you will get the value x is equal to minus 1. Now mark price of a refrigerator is 12,000. GST is paid is 2,160. So for 12,000 you get 2160. So for 100 how much percentage? It will come as 18%. Raki's mobile number is 1698911789. You have to get the mode of this. Mode means the number occurring many times. So that is the 9. So your answer should be 9. A and B open. A put 1500 for 1 year, that means 1500 into 12 months, and B deposited 1200 for 15 months. So that means both of them have deposited the same value, the amount invested by. So this is you don't need to work on this 9% interest. Find the equation of a line is intercept. Y intercept is 6 and is parallel to x axis. So parallel to x axis is having y is equal to equation. Now what is this intercept? This c, y is equal to mx plus c. This y intercept is c. That means this distance is 6. So your answer will be y is equal to 6 because the line is parallel to x axis. Now Asha buys rupees 20 shares of a company, just paying 9% dividend, and she got the return at 12%. So if I say Asha got only one share, so what will be that? So 1 share into dividend is 9%, and NAV value is 20, and market value we need to find it out, and return percentage is 12%. So if you calculate this, you will get as market value 15 rupees. Now this is the formula. We have to calculate one sphere is given with radius r, hemisphere with radius r, and total surface area as shown. You have to calculate the ratio. Now this hemisphere and sphere total surface area, just compare. 4 pi r square is equal to 3 pi r square. So the ratio will become as r square upon r square, that will be under root of 3 upon 2. Now in this calculate the angle. This angle is 65. So this will be angle in linear pair. Linear pair angle will be 115. Now this is 115, and this ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. B will become 65. Now this is angle in the angle subtended by center is twice the angle subtended in the same segment. So it will become twice 65, that is 130. Now the roots. Calculate 3x square minus 6 minus 6x minus 3 is equal to 0. B is equal to minus 6. AC b square minus 4ac, find it out. Since that value is greater than 0, you can say the rules are real and distinct. But now decide whether rational or irrational. Since this 72 is not a perfect square, you will say it is the irrational. Now if a die is rolled out, getting the number greater than 6, is it possible? No. That means this is false. And possible outcomes are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A is false, R is true over here. Area of similar triangles ratio is 9:64. Then the ratio of the corresponding altitude is 9. It is dependent on the ratio of their side square or altitude square. So just h1 square upon h2 square you can say. Then what will be the ratio? 3:8. Now next is what must be added to this number so that it's completely divisible by x plus 2. So put the value minus 2 in this equation, you will get the 16. If it is the completely divisible, then you should have a 0. So what should we do? It should be added. Subtracted is minus 16 minus 16, but you have to add it. The number must be added. So 16 minus 16, if you add it, you will get the value 0. So your answer should be minus 16. Now here AOB, right angle triangle, C is the midpoint. So calculate, and this coordinates of the point which is equidistance from AOB, from A, B and O. So just calculate this x and y by midpoint formula. You will get the value of C is xy. Now this given matrix, what is the order of this matrix? 2 into 2. Other matrix B is value 1 into 2. Is this number of columns is equal to number of rows? No, it is not equal to. So that means product AB is not possible in this case. Now this is 9 term is equal to AR raised to 8. Now this common ratio is minus 2 over here, but minus 2 raised to 8 is always positive. So this 9th term is also positive, and this minus 2 raised to 8 is also positive. So both A and R are correct, and this is the correct explanation. Hope you have got this 15 MCQs. We will solve remaining section A in next session.